Okay, now it's time to hang this Larson Tradewinds door. So I'm going to stand it up and hang it on that hang screw that we put in the first step, the first part of the video series. So you get the door on that hang screw and then you tighten that screw down. So what I did was hang the door, tighten the hang screw down, and then I put a screw in the top part of the door frame on the outside and one on the bottom part of the door frame on the outside. That just secures it into place so it doesn't fall on you.